In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create shapes in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open a project, find the shape tools, place shapes on your canvas, and resize them with confidence. Start by heading to figma.com in your browser, or open the Figma desktop app if you prefer. Once you're in your workspace, look for the All Projects area. This view helps you quickly browse everything in your team or personal space. Click All Projects to see the thumbnails of your files, then find the project you want to work on and click to open it. That brings you to the canvas where you'll be placing and editing your shapes. Now let's locate the shape tools. Look for the shape tool options at the bottom of the interface. If you see a single shape icon, click it or press and hold to reveal more options. You'll find the essentials here: rectangle for boxes and squares, ellipse for circles and ovals, polygon for multi-sided shapes, and star for badges and highlights. These are the building blocks for wireframes, icons, and visual layouts. Choose the shape you want to draw. On the canvas, you can simply click once to place a default size shape, or click and drag to define its size as you create it. A quick tip: hold shift while dragging to keep proportions perfect, like turning a rectangle into a square or an ellipse into a perfect circle. If you want to draw from the center outward, hold Option or Alt as you drag. This makes centering a shape much faster. After your shape is on the canvas, adjust its size to fit your design. Drag the corner handles to scale uniformly, or use the side handles for width or height changes. Shift still constrains proportions during resizing. For precise dimensions, check the right-hand panel and enter exact width and height values. While you're there, you can also set the fill color, tweak the stroke color and thickness, and round the corners of rectangles to soften the look. For polygons and stars, you can adjust the number of sides or points in the properties to get exactly the geometry you need. As you move and resize shapes, Figma's smart guides help you align objects neatly with other elements on the canvas. Use them to create a clean, consistent layout without guessing. That's the full flow. Open your project, find the shape tools at the bottom, pick a shape, place it on the canvas, and resize it until it's just right. Practice a few times with rectangles, ellipses, polygons, and stars, and you'll be shaping up your designs in no time.